Hello! Magandang araw, magandang gabi. Nandito muli si Lakay, music lovers sa ating tambayan. Ayan at hahandugan ko kayo ng isang magandang kanta. Baka sakaling maibsanan ninyo ang inyong pagod habang kayo'y nagpapahinga. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Lakay, music lovers. If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come with me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Now we can talk alright about the weather. I tell you both my friends out on a go, or I could ask a lot of crazy questions, or ask you what I really want to know. If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come with me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Now rain and falls a song against the window. Sun can shine so bright up in the sky, but Daddy always told me don't make this smoke up. He said, come on out and say what's on your mind. So if I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come quench me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I saw you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would your loving love come quench me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me?